How to find memories settings on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find memories settings on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here and then click these 3 points and that's it. Here you will find features. Now click memories and here you can manage memory settings. You can deactivate your memories and that's it. Then you can find any memories here after that, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.